Hi sisters, are you fond of fish? Well, I am, and what you're seeing now is my aquarium. Well, it's a tank. it's been it's an old tank, as you can see, because it's been many years now that I have an aquarium, and I decided to set it up again and make it look new again, but this time more beautiful, because I also decided to do aquascaping. I watched many tutorials on aquascaping and I realized it's very expensive, but I don't have that much budget. So I thought of if I'm going to do the same, I'll try to make it as cheap as possible. So I also thought of sharing it to you so that if you have plan or if you thought of setting up an aquarium too and do aquascaping, well, I can give you ideas on how you can make it cheap. So keep on watching, guys, and I hope you click the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, I hope you subscribe now, and don't forget to click the bell button so you can get notifications of my latest videos. So enjoy watching and hope you see the result of my project at the end of this video. These are combinations of pumice, lava rock, and gravels. This will suffice. You don't have to buy really expensive substrate. And I only bought them on online Shopee, to be specific. These coconut shells, I dried them under the sun for like 3 to 4 days. On the right side. And then on top, I covered it with sand because last time I tried it, my plants floated because the gravels are loose. I mean, you know, uh, these mixtures are loose, and the sand is heavier, and it is gonna keep the plants intact. And then I started planting the aqua plants that I bought online too. Most of my materials I bought online because I realized that it's more expensive in physical stores. I don't know why, but yes. And these plants, I bought them from one store only, online shop. I bought it on Shopee, and yeah, I'm gonna put on the description box the name of the seller, so in case you want, you can easily find on Shopee this seller. Yeah, because I bought them by batch. The first batch, she gave me lots of freebies, and so I decided to buy from her again. And another thing, as you can see, the plants are really healthy, right? So I didn't search from other store anymore, and they're also cheap, you know. Her plants are cheap compared to other shops. I'm putting small amount of water yet because I don't want my plants to die. So after I finish it all, then that's the time I'm gonna fill it with water. These are just pieces of trunks that I gathered from the province when we visited. So I did not buy them. Yeah, I looked in our backyard, searched in the farm. Yeah. So, and luckily I found nice trunks I thought I could use. What I did when we came home, I boiled them. I washed them, of course, first many times, and then I boiled them and dried them for like a week under the sun. The big stones here, also I just gathered them outside. No, I did not buy them. But if you want, but of course I wash them very well. You have to wash very well the materials you're gonna use in your aquascaping. And by the way, if you want really nice stones, those that they actually use on aquascaping and even in terrarium, and you can buy on shops, but mind you, they are quite expensive. They use like dragonstone or lava rock. I have it also lava rock, which I bought online. Yeah, they're not really very big. The red lava rock you see here, I bought them online, but they're cheap shops on online stores, so it didn't cost me a lot. So maybe now you can already guess the setup of my aquascape. It's a jungle I'm setting up, and later, yeah, for now you won't see it really beautiful, especially the stain on the tank makes it look ugly. But later, after I finish it, you're gonna find it really nice. I'm not going to elaborate anymore on this part because I already made a separate video of this a week ago. But I'm just going to tell you what fish I bought. I bought different kinds of tetrafish and more mollyfish, and I also bought two algae eater. It's necessary to have algae eater when you have aquascape in your tank because it's gonna help you maintain your tank clean for quite a longer time. And but it's better if you're going to clean your tank at least twice a month. Yeah, I like this one. 150 na to. Oh my god, this is 150 pesos. 3 food. They're all 150. This one is 150 also. So now you have an idea of how much tree foods are. If you think they're expensive, you can just do what I did. You can just find woods or trunks in places where you think you can find them, so it's up to you. And also here I bought just one more plant to cover. I don't know if you noticed the tape on the stone, which I used to hold the stone together with the wood so that it's not going to float. Yeah, it's for this purpose I bought this. I chose this plant because it spreads fast, so that will cover it up eventually. And now you see the outcome of all my efforts. I hope you liked it. So if you have questions, just put on the comment box and I'll try my best to answer them immediately. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you subscribe to my channel, and I'll be happy to share you a lot more things that I enjoy doing and which may somehow inspire you. Stay safe, guys. Bye.